Welcome, devs, to AI test-driven development, method design, and implemented in under 4 minutes. Let's first discuss what test-driven development is. It's that software development process where you write the tests before writing the code itself. The idea is to start by defining the desired functionality in a test, which initially fails because the code doesn't exist yet. Then you write just enough code to pass the test, followed by refactoring the code to improve its structure while ensuring the test still passes. This cycle of red-green refactoring helps you create reliable, maintainable code and ensures that every piece of functionality is covered by tests, reducing bugs and improving quality software. Well, what's the difference between that and now AI test-driven development? In AI test-driven development is a process where you collaborate with tools like Codiumate to write tests before coding. First, you work with Codiumate to create a comprehensive test suite that outlines the desired functionality. These tests will fail initially since the code isn't written yet. Next, you and Codiumate develop the logic needed to pass these tests, refining the code until it passes. Finally, you can refactor the code with Codiumate to improve its structure while ensuring the tests still pass. This approach, test code refactor, promotes reliable, maintainable code, reducing bugs and enhancing software quality. Let's go ahead and dive in. So here's our class that we're going to test, price calculator. We have our method created. I'm now running my Codiumate, my pair programmer, who's going to come up with some happy paths, some edge cases for us, some other things that it thinks is relevant for this type of method that we pass to it. So this is the first one, and calculate the discounted price with positive original price and the discounted percentage. Awesome. Thumbs up it. Next one is calculate the discounted price with the 0 discounted percentage. Awesome. Perfect. Thumbs up that one. Now I'm going to calculate the discounted price with the maximum discounted percentage. Perfect. So don't be shy to give it thumbs up when you like it and thumbs down when you don't. Now here's a better one too. Calculate the discounted price with a 0 original price. That's a good edge case. We don't want to give ourselves extra money or our clients. Then calculate the discounted price with a negative original price. Don't like that one. I want to throw an exception and not allow that exception or that input to take place. So I told my Codiumate, hey, let's change that up. And it did. And you saw I did not even have to type the exception I want to throw. I just said throw exception. So this one calculated discounted price with a negative discounted percentage. This one also, I want to say, I don't want to take any negatives. So I'm going to say throw exception. And there you have it. It's going to come back with my exception there and illegal argument exception. Perfect. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. And now go look at the top. What do? We're going to get red. And we want red because we're doing TDD still. So we have all of our different test cases. Now we have our method we have to implement. So now we go to our Codiumate and say, let's go ahead and implement this. So I add my test that I just designed with my pair partner. And now I'm going to say, let's take this class, focused on it, and let's improve it. And if we look at this, validate the original price. That looks like a good one. I can read a little bit more about it. This one, ensure the method returns a value rounded to 2 decimal places. That's good. We're dealing with money. This calculate the discounted price, add JavaDoc. Who doesn't want, someone to write the JavaDoc for us? Now, you're still in the driver's seat. So we're going to show the diff. We look at it, say that looks right. That's what we want. And we apply the changes. You can now change this still if you want to and update it. It is just a pair programmer with you and helping you out. Now we're going to run our tests. And we're all green. Let's recap. We plan and collaborate. What is that? We work with Codiumate to create a comprehensive test suite that outlines desired functionality before writing any code. Then we develop and refine. We implement the necessary logic with Codiumate to pass the test, refining the code as needed to ensure all the tests are successful. Refactor for quality. We continuously improve the code structure with Codiumate, maintaining test coverage to ensure reliability and maintainability. Happy coding with Codiumate.